Biryani. Spices are prepared carefully. Rice and ingredients are layered. Meat or vegetables are added. The pot is sealed. Heat builds slowly inside. Steam gathers under the lid. The flavors blend together. The lid is lifted gently. Aromatic steam escapes. The rice shows mixed colors. It is served onto a plate. The dish feels rich and full. Congee. Rice is added to water. Cooks for a long time. The grains break down. The mixture thickens. Steam rises softly. The texture becomes smooth. It is stirred slowly. The surface looks creamy. It is poured into a bowl. The heat remains gentle. The dish looks soft. It is served warm. Fried rice. Cooked rice is placed in a hot pan. Oil spreads across the surface. Vegetables are added to the pan. Eggs are mixed into the rice. The ingredients are stirred quickly. The grains stay separate. Steam rises with movement. Sauce is added lightly. The color becomes rich. The aroma fills the air. The rice is plated neatly. It is served hot. Jollof rice. Tomato base is prepared. Rice is added to the sauce. The mixture simmers slowly. The color deepens. Steam rises steadily. The grains absorb flavor. The texture becomes soft. The rice is stirred gently. The aroma becomes strong. It is plated with sides. The color looks rich. It is served warm. Paella. Rice is added to a wide pan. Broth and spices are poured in. Ingredients are arranged on top. The mixture cooks evenly. The color turns bright. Steam rises from the pan. The bottom layer crisps. The aroma spreads. The pan is removed from heat.
These burgers.
The rice settles.
Looking good. Now for the
It is
sausages.
served from the pan.
Almost ready.
Pilaf. Rice is added to a pan. Broth is poured in. Vegetables are mixed gently. The mixture simmers slowly. The liquid is absorbed. The grains stay separate. A soft aroma develops. The rice is stirred lightly. It becomes fluffy. It is transferred to a bowl. The texture looks even. It is ready to eat. Plain rice. White grains are measured into a pot. Water is added slowly. The pot begins to heat. Small bubbles start to form. Steam rises gently. The grains soften over time. Water is absorbed completely. The rice looks fluffy and light. A spoon lifts the soft grains. It is placed onto a plate. The texture pulao. Rice and spices are added together. Vegetables are mixed in. Water is poured in. The mixture cooks evenly. Steam rises steadily. The grains absorb flavor. The texture becomes fluffy. The rice is stirred gently. The aroma spreads. It is served in a bowl. The colors look balanced. It is ready to eat. Risotto. Rice is placed in a pan. Broth is added slowly. The mixture is stirred constantly. The texture begins to thicken. More liquid is added. The rice becomes creamy. Cheese is mixed in. The surface looks smooth. Steam rises softly. The dish is plated carefully. The texture appears rich. It is served warm. Sushi rice. Rice is rinsed with water. It is cooked gently. Scene 4. Vinegar mixture is added. The rice is spread out. The texture becomes sticky. It is shaped carefully. The surface looks glossy. It is placed on a mat. Rolls are formed slowly. The pieces are cut evenly. The shape looks neat. It is ready to serve.